Hey guys, this is my second stream. The first one I just showed you this handheld KTV wireless Bluetooth microphone, right? So it's not microphone, it's mic. Okay, so now second one, I want to show you this cute little mini speaker, Bluetooth speaker, wireless Bluetooth speaker. It has got a very beautiful packaging, right? You can see that. If you see the packaging, it's all showing Japanese, so it is meant for Japanese market. And let me just unbox it for you. It's a very high quality one. It's made of metal. It's very heavy. The sound quality is excellent. All right. So here's the speaker, a little tiny Bluetooth speaker. Here's the charging cable, the micro one. You can charge with the micro cable. There you go. This is how you charge it, right? Okay, so let me turn it on now.
Power on.
Right? It's very heavy. It's made of metal, aluminum. It's very beautiful. It's using Bluetooth 5.0 version. Okay, it's not that old. It's new, and the instructions are given on the back. It has got a very compact packaging. So I will upload the packaging details, like how many pieces in a carton, what is the weight, and this. It was made for Yahoo, Japanese Yahoo, okay? This Bluetooth speaker was made for Japanese Yahoo. Somehow they didn't take the goods, so we got in stock. It comes directly from the factory, okay? I've got it in my warehouse. Okay, I will upload the packaging details, how many pieces I got, and I will write down the price. And one last thing I want to mention, that we can deliver to your doorstep. We'll do custom clearance in China and in your country, right? And we will deliver to your doorstep. You don't have to pay any extra tax. Thank you.